And today it's the next day. I think today's the 15th of April. It's a Saturday, so it was Friday, okay? And so right now I'm sitting outside of a Walmart or a Dollar Tree. And I'm going to meet my dad. I'm going to the dump truck. He's at the dump truck and I'm gonna get dropped off there. So yeah. And I woke up sick this morning, so I don't have to take medicine. I'm so sad about that. I do not like being sick, but I guess. Oh, you guys can see my phone like in my glasses. Oh my gosh. So yeah, stand outside. I actually got some sun yesterday. My face burned and my shoulders burned, so I got some sun. But yeah, see, ooh, the road. So yeah, I'll take a video of my dad riding or something. And then I got dropped off at the track. So I'm at the track. And that little kid was just featured in my vlog. Okay, and yeah, my dad hasn't practiced. Okay, so in the morning it's classes and then it's practice. The practice doesn't start till like 6:30 or something, so we have a while because it's only like 11 something. So I'll be at the track all day till like nighttime. So it's probably ridiculous. So I just finished saying. Little kids practicing like out there, people just practicing and stuff. So if I so yeah, I just showed you basically what's going on out on the track right now, and that's it. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, my dad is racing at the moment, so I'm gonna show you guys a quick, no. He's not racing, he is in a class, which is with that was like came back from his racing. There he is. So basically I got food. But now I just got my Dr. Pepper. And we're waiting for everything to start and stuff because the classes are over. So now I'm gonna give you a better view of what my dad's like. So as you told me, I was showing you my dad's break, and I was sitting in the gym. Now I'm walking away from all the tents, and I'm going to the bathroom because I have to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, and I'm gonna go charge my phone. So I don't know how long it will be till you guys see me again because my phone's like about to die, so I had to go charge it.
Sorry, my dad just finished doing his practice, and it is. Let me see what that is. Are you kidding me? I'm trying to like, work the Fitbit. I'm failing. It's 4 o'clock, and practice started at 3, and I think this one was kind of. So I just wanted to show you like a clip of, so my dad is about to do his groceries, so I have to go down to the gate and help him. And does my hair look blonde like anybody? Okay. Well, I have to go help my dad down at the gate, so I think I'll have a video of the start. So yeah. See ya.
Well, just behind them is Rick. So I believe it's going to be a leader in that 125 is the number 9 coming across, followed by Steven. And here's the outside of Brennan. Right now.
So, an update. I haven't done an update in quite a while. Since my dad's last race, and since then, I've just been sitting in those chairs. I'm in the way. In not like that chair, like right there, and watching the races. So I've just been doing that. And then they just had the Easter egg hunt, which is after they do all the moves. Starting line right now. It might actually be starting in like a few seconds or something. So, yes. Race. My hair looks so nice, but there's a beautiful sunset. Some more racing if you guys want to see. So that was just some random guys. So there's no more sunset like there just was a few minutes ago. So basically what happened was we're sitting here, we're watching, we're actually not leaving quite yet. So we're just watching some races. So yeah, I'll vlog when we get in the car or something.